Kia ora watu whanau, Tiare Tawera here with another workout for you guys, and guess what? The best part about these workouts, you can do it in the comfort of your own whai, and you don't have to go to the gym, okay? And we only need around about 20 to 22 minutes. So whanau, get ready, get excited. It's going to be another awesome workout, and today it's going to be a full body attack, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the workout. First up, we're going to be starting things off with the whai tapu reverse lunges. You're going to go back, 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, and you're going to be doing 20 repetitions in total. Why? Because the aim is 10 reps per side, okay? The reason why we're going with reverse lunges is when you reverse into the lunge, you're going to get better activation in your hamstring, and it's also a great way to really target the outer sweep of your quad, okay? So when you come back, you're going to feel the stretch in your quad muscles, but you also, because you're sitting into the lunge, you're going to feel it in your hamstring as well. Next up, we're going into squats, 10 squats, nice and low. Once again, when you're squatting down, making sure that you've got a slight arch in your lower back, bums going back, going down, and you're pushing up and squeezing at the top through your glutes, the hamstrings, and the quads. So that's legs. Next up, the third exercise is pike push-ups. So when we first started doing this workout series, we really implemented pike push-ups. Great exercise to really focus on building the shoulders, okay? So with the pike push-up, legs sort of like so, going to come forward, okay? Legs are straight at the back, nice and straight. Head's going right to the ground. 1, 2, 3. And with my whai as well, you can see that they're slightly distance apart. That's okay. It can be quite difficult having your legs close together. So this is probably the best stance for you. Go forward and try and make sure that your head is touching the ground, and making sure that you're also pushing through the shoulders and not necessarily the lats, okay? Next up, we're going to go into lying lat pull downs, okay? This is very much a staple in our exercise, and probably one of my favorite exercises. You're going to stretch up, you're going to come right down, and elbows are going to go right into the side to really contract the lower back. Okay, forward, it's going to go through the lats, it's going to go through the traps, the mid back, and down into the lower back. Great exercise, and that right there is really, it's exactly the same as doing pull-ups, but the best thing about doing lying pull-downs is that you're really given the opportunity to actually activate the muscles. What tends to happen is when you're going through a pull-up motion, you're just trying to get your body up, and sometimes what happens a lot is a lot of people start to rock and sway through the movement, whereas lying down, you can really focus on contracting and activating the muscles, okay? So next up, we have wide stance push-ups. With the wide stance push-ups, okay, so normal stance is going to be just a little bit further than shoulder width apart, okay? But for us, wide stance here, okay, I would say that's probably the best. You don't want to go too wide, but that right there is perfect. Straight to the bottom, up, 2, okay. And what you're going to find with wide stance push-ups is you're really going to start to hit and activate this part of the chest, okay? Not necessarily just the incline, the top part, but you're going to really hit in here, sort of the insertion between the pectoral and the shoulder blades as well. Next up, we're going to go into plank holds. Plank holds is such a staple for myself in regards to building the foundation with regards to your abs, okay? So with this position, okay, you know, put the weight back into the calf muscles, okay, keep the bum nice and low and hold. And you're going to hold for 20 seconds, ka pai? Once again, such a staple, and if you can go longer from 20 seconds and build to 30 to 45 to a minute, that's really going to help, you know, build quality ab muscles. Next up, we have Spider-Man push-ups. This can be quite difficult for a lot of people, but if you do master it, it's a great exercise to really hit the oblique muscles of your abs, as well as the pectorals with the press-ups. So you're going to go down into the side, 1, 2, kapai. So when you're pressing down, the knee is coming to the opposite, to the same elbow, and you're going to crunch forward. Okay, so once again, go into the elbow and really, and as you find when you're doing the press-ups as well, is you're going to slightly lean, which is actually okay, because what happens is when you lean, you're actually going to isolate the muscle, which is an awesome workout. And last and finally, we're going to finish things off with Supermans, okay? Supermans, great exercise for building up the glutes, but also building up the lower back as well. So you're going to extend forward and come up, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you're coming up, whānau, you really want to push up through the glutes, squeeze the lower back, and extend up like so. Really an amazing exercise to really build up the lower back muscles. But hey, one of the biggest things to focus on is when you start to really activate your glute muscles, it's going to really ease lower back pain. So if you do have lower back pains, you've been suffering with this for quite some time, give this workout a go, and I can guarantee you it's really going to take a lot of stress out of your lower back. Hey, I'm going to chuck in one more workout, so now we're going to make it 9 workouts. Today's repetitions are going to be anywhere past 300, 330 reps for this entire workout. We're going to finish things off with building again the glutes with some glutes thrust. This is some thrusters, and what you're going to do here as well is, once again, you're going to bring those legs in like so. Okay, so I'll first you guys. Okay, so what you want to do is bring the legs as close to you as possible. You're going to lie back, and you're going to push up. Okay, so once again, look at the feet nice and locked like so. Bring it close to the body, to the groin area, and you're going to push up. 1, 2, 3, and that right there, you're going to go for another 10 repetitions. So there we have it, whānau. We have 9 exercises for us to do. We're going to absolutely smash today's session, okay? And I can guarantee you're going to feel the workout. It's a full body workout, but the best part about this, we're going to get this done within 20 to 22 minutes, and we're going to be aiming for anywhere between 300 and 330 plus repetitions, okay? So 10 reps per workout. So without further ado, kia te mai, and 3, 2, 1. Let's go reverse lunges, and 1. I'm going to go for 20 reps. 2, apply, 3, 5, 6. Good work, whānau. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kapai. Quickly shake it up. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Kapai. Between every exercise, aim between 10 to 15 seconds rest. If you can go with it with less rest, even better. Squats, and 3, 2, 1, 10 reps. Let's go. Kapai. One more for the road. There we go, and shake it out. Next up, we have pike push-ups. Okay, so once again, this entire session here is a full body workout, really activating the upper body and the lower body. Okay, so great workouts, excellent to keep the heart rate up. And once again, 10 to 15 seconds rest in between. The less rest, the better. Pike push-ups, and 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, kapai. Next up, we have lying lat pull downs. And whānau, I'm already feeling the heat. Whew. Kapai. Should have kept the aircon on, but hey, te whai whānau. If you're sweating, it's a good thing, right? Kapai. Next up, lying lat pull downs. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squeeze. Squeeze. Awesome, mahi whānau. Next up, we're going into wide stance push-ups. We're now moving into activating the chest. Nice and wide, not shoulder width apart. Nice and wide. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kapai. Next up, we're moving into plank holds, okay? Quick breather, breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Up way. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, 20 seconds, hold. It's 5 seconds. 10 seconds to go, let's go. Kapai whānau, there we go. Next up, we're moving into Spider-Man push-ups. Then we're going to Supermans, and then some glute thrusters, okay? Really activating the lower part of our glutes, the glutes. Okay, next up, Spider-Man push-ups, 10 reps in 3, 2, 1. And once again, if this is a little bit hard for you, just use your knees and go back to normal press-ups. 6, 7, 8, 9, and you want to make sure that, be careful, especially with socks, it can get quite slippery when doing that type of workout. Next up, Supermans, okay? One on the ground, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, really good. The lower back and the glutes, fine. 5 more, 5, 3, 2, 1. Kapai. And last, for the first round, some glute thrusters, okay? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2. Squeeze. There we go, whānau. Awesome. Ka mau ke te wehi. And breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through the mouth. Hapai. Woo! Kai te heke mai te kai te heke mai te tōta. Wairara wātu te tinana. He tohu pai tērā. 2 more rounds to go, whānau. Okay. Quick breather. Grab a water. Quick drink. Hey, and we'll get straight back into it, okay? Okay, 10 more seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Reverse lunges. Let's go. 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kapai whānau. Okay, next up, we're going to move it into squats. Okay, 10 repetitions in 3, 2, 1. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kapai, shake it out. Breathe into your nose. Out through your mouth. Breathe into your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Kapai. Next up, pike push-ups, okay? Really great exercise to really target the deltoids. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, kapai. Go. Next up, lying lat pull downs. Woo! Kai te rongo katoa te tinana I te wera o ngā mahi nei. Alright, let's go. Lying lat pull downs. Reaching for the front and 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kapai whānau, kapai. Okay, next up, moving into wide stance push-ups, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kapai whānau. Plank holds. 20-second hold. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Whew. 10 seconds. Kapai, te kātatau. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kapai. Okay. Next up, we're going to move into Spider-Man push-ups. Once again, one of my favorite exercises really isolates the muscle, especially when you're leaning side to side. So that's isolating the left pectoral muscle and then the right. Then also you're really targeting the obliques with this workout as well. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. And 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay, 2 more workouts to go, Whānau. We'll go to Superman's. We're going to move into glute thrusters, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and up. Squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Apply, Whānau. Move into the glutes. Okay. Breathe into your nose. Out through your mouth. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, Whānau. Round 2, done and dusted. 1 more round to go. Awesome effort. So proud of you guys for keeping up with me. Okay, you would have noticed that, hey, I do say 10 to 15 seconds rest in between, but though the last two rounds, we've just been going. Okay? Goodbye. Awesome effort today. Breathe into your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe into your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. 1 more round to go. Okay? Breathe into your nose. Out through your mouth. Okay. So all of these workouts, right? We have 9 workouts. We have reverse lunges, squats, pike push-ups, lying lat pull-downs. Reverse lunges, really focusing on targeting the hamstrings, the quad muscles, as well as a little bit of glutes as well. Squats, really focused on quad domination, glute activation as well. Pike push-ups, good way to really target the shoulders. Lying lat pull-downs, great exercise, especially if you struggle with pull-ups or you don't have any barbells or anything like that. Okay, really just focus on contracting the muscles and really activating every single muscle part in your back. Next up, wide stance push-ups. It's a great for push-ups. What we're doing here is we've got it nice and wide. We're really activating the insertion between the pecs as well as the shoulders as well, okay? Plank holds, one of these staples in regards to activating and building a quality core. Then we've got Superman push-ups, Spider-Man push-up, boom. Obliques, so isolating the pecs. And the last 2 exercises, Superman's lower back, really good for building up the lower back, as well as your glutes. And then finally, the glute thrusters, glute isolation, great exercise. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, reverse lunges, let's go. 1, 20 reps, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And squats. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Shake it out. Okay. Pike push-ups. Make sure that you're nice and balanced. Feet are nice and fixed so you don't fall forward. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Pike push-ups. And 3, 2, 1. Head backwards and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next up, lying lat pull downs. So we've got making sure that you're reaching to the front, pulling back and contracting through to the lower back. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Ka pai whānau. Next up, wide push-ups. Okay, not shoulder width apart, a little bit wider than that, okay? And let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ka mau te wehi. Next up, plank holds, your favorite, building those rock hard abs. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1. 10 seconds, let's go. Apply. Here we go, whānau, and we're going to move into Spider-Man push-ups, Superman's, and then glutes. So we're nearly done, okay? Spider-Man push-ups in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. In 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Ka mau te wehi. Superman's. Woo! Really feeling it today. Especially when we usually train with the aircon today. No aircon. Let's keep pushing through. Let's get a bit of a sauna experience while we're at it. Okay, here we go. Superman's in 3, 2, 1. Up. Squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ka pai, not done yet. Good exercises to go. Here we go. Glute thrusters in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squeeze. 7, 8, 9. One more. Tēnā koe. Woo! There we go, whānau. That's a wrap. Done and dusted. Pākia te ringa. Hey, big ups to you guys. Another awesome effort. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Ka pai, no doubt you're feeling like me, whānau. Sweating, but hey, it's a good sweat because we put in the mahi, we put in the work, okay? Full body workout. Quads, hamstrings, glutes, core, shoulders, chest, back, done, dusted, and guess what? In less than 20 minutes. Nā reira e whama, ko tātou tērā, kia paira wātu te rā, ko Tiare Tawera tēnei mihi atu nei whānau, that is wrap. But don't forget whānau, make sure, keep your food nice and healthy, keep it clean, and to make sure that you're getting a sufficient amount of water, 2 to 3 litres of water aroha mai every single day. That's me, I'm done, I'm dusted. Protein shake time, mā te wā.